In this episode of Eyedropping, we're looking at the work of lead concept artist Herman. Most of his portfolio features compelling character designs that are intended for video games. He's currently working at Epic Games, so that should tell you that his talent is top tier. So let's examine what makes the work top tier and so valuable that a massive company like Epic Games would give you an entire office plated in gold and be fed exotic delicacies as you draw. Here's a list of 5 things I've observed in Herman's work that I believe make his concepts highly valuable and memorable. Number 1. Iteration and options. Herman's concepts and his drawing ability allows him to develop many options and iterations of a character design. There isn't just costume changes, as we can see shapes and body proportions being explored. You can see the explorations on the page, which can really raise interesting discussions among the team to best choose and settle on a design. Number 2. Action and animation. Throughout Herman's work, we see animation frames to describe the ability of the characters. This is super helpful for the animators, VFX artists, and game designers so they can bring the character to life within the game. Number 3. Callouts. It helps to not just show all of your ideas as drawings, but to literally write your ideas and highlight features of the design. This helps communication of the concept to the team and clear up any uncertainties. If you're working remotely, it's a great idea to include callouts because it will help explain the ideas to the client or company, and you won't always have the luxury of sitting down and explaining your ideas in person. Number 4. Clarity of design. I've touched on this already, however, I want to emphasize the ways Herman applies clarity of design. In addition to the callouts and animation frames, we can see orthographic drawings or turnarounds, front and back views, and expressions. You can see in this concept for a cyborg type character, is shown a breakdown of the mechanical components, which help the modeler and rigger in their part of the pipeline. Number 5. Archetypes. Within Herman's designs, he's able to capture and distinguish various archetypes. By archetypes, I mean the typical warrior, mage, rogues, but then also in a MOBA such as League of Legends, you have support, carry, hard carry, tank, etc. It's important in a video game that these archetypes are clearly understood for the players to enhance the gameplay. For example, one glance at a character should provide a clear message of the character's abilities, strengths, weaknesses, as well as be identifiable from others, even at a distance. A quick recap of 5 things that I've learnt from Eyedropping Herman's concept art are: Number 1. Show iterations and options. 2. Draw actions and animation frames. 3. Add callouts. 4. Give clarity of design. 5. Define the archetype. So go and check out Herman's ArtStation page, the link is below, and I hope you can apply these tips to improve your own character concepts. And always remember to put life in your lines.